Hello, my dear students. Welcome back in another video lecture of our in entomology paper. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about the order Thysanura in detail. Now, as I have already explained you in the lecture which was related to the classification, that this order Thysanura belongs to the Pterygota a Pterygota division, subclass. And in this Thysanura, we are going to talk about the general characteristics of order Thysanura, what type of insects are included in this. So order Thysanura belongs to the subclass Pterygote. I have already said that. And it possesses primitive type of insects, which means that these insects are more relatable and more connected to the previous or insects. So they have long antennae. So animal insects which are just included in this order Thysanura have long antennae and 2 or 3 long they have appendages at the end of the abdomen, that is called as cerci, and they have bristle tail. I will show you the diagram what type of bristle tail is there. And they have biting and chewing type of mouth parts, and they develop the development is without metamorphosis, which means that they are ametamorphic, or they don't shows any type of metamorphosis in their life history or their life stage or lifespan, because they have such stages which are most relevant, and they don't have any changes in their life stages. So they bear life stages as egg, young one and adult. So the egg is obviously we know that, and they are small spherical in shape, and young ones are more relevant and more morphologically similar to their adults. There is only a difference of size in between adult and young one, because they don't show any type of metamorphosis, and metamorphosis is responsible for the gradual changes or different type of changes in their body. So the best example for this is lepisma. Before going to that, I want to tell you that when you are explaining this order Thysanura, so you have to go through the certain characteristics. So when we talk about the insect body, we know that the body bears 3 parts, and it is divided into 3 parts. So here you can observe that they have head region, they have thorax region, and they have abdomen region. So we will go with the according to that division. So when we are talking about the head region, so head has different type of appendages, like they have antennae, you can observe here. So the antennae in this order are mostly long filiform type of antennae, and they are composed of more than 30 segments. So you can see that they are long antennae, and these are filiform type of antennae. So first thing the present that is present on head is antennae, and it is prognathous type of head. A prognathous क्या होता है? Prognathous means it is forwarded और इट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन द फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन, ये जो हेड है. सो यू कैन सी दैट इट इज़ जस्ट प्रोजेक्टिंग इन फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन. इट इज़ नॉट यहाँ पे और इजीली जो है समझ आएगा इन दिस डायग्राम. सो यू कैन ऑब्जर्व हियर दिस हेड इज़ present in prognathous type, or it is a forward directed head, and the antennae are present. These are long filiform type of antennae, and they don't have compound eyes. अभी compound eyes क्या होते हैं? Compound eyes are कुछ में होंगे और कुछ में नहीं होंगे. सो जब हम इस टाइप की बात करें, जब हम लेपिज्मा की बात करें, तो यहाँ पे कंपाउंड आइज नहीं है, यहाँ पे सिंपल आइज आर प्रेजेंट. एंड कंपाउंड आइज ऐसे होते हैं दैट दे हैव हेक्सागोनल स्ट्रक्चर इन देयर eyes, or those eyes are having lens which are having compartments, hexagonal type of compartments, जैसे जो हमारे हनी कोम्ब में होते हैं हेक्सागोनल चेम्बर्स, वैसे ही। सो वो जो एक चेम्बर होता है या एक जो लेंस पे एक जो हेक्सागोनल स्ट्रक्चर होगा उसको ओमैटिडिया बोला जाता है here. And this head region also has mouth parts, which is biting and chewing type of mouth part, uh, and it has labrum, mandible, maxillae, and labium and hypopharynx, and a pair of linguage are present in this head. Now we will come to the second part of the body, that is thorax region. Thorax region तीन parts में divided होता है, prothorax, मेसोथोरैक्स एंड मेटाथोरैक्स, यानी थोरैक्स का फर्स्ट पार्ट जो फर्स्ट रीजन होगा। और यहाँ पे थोरैक्स रीजन में दो चीज़ें होती है, विंग्स एंड लेग्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं। एज दिस insect or this order belongs to the Pterygota, so they will not have wings, तो in short they will have legs, और legs obviously पता है कि arthropods में जो insect class है, they bears they are also called as hexapoda because they bear 6 legs, 3 legs on either side. Now let us come to the next part of the body, that is abdomen. Abdomen is having different segments, which might be near about 9 or 11 segments. This are having 8th and 9th abdominal segment will possess ovipositor in females and male genitalia in males, and the penis develops into the 9th segment. When we are talking about the alimentary canal, so it is differentiated into 3 parts, foregut, midgut and hindgut. Foregut bears a gizzard in lepisma, and Malpighian tubules are well developed in them. And as I was talking about the bristle tail, so they are having a cerci, abdominal cerci, and these are 3 in pair. So this is the characteristic feature of that order Thysanura, that they have bristle tail. So here the characteristic of order Thysanura ends up. So the example of this Thysanura is silverfish, which is whose scientific name is, या फिर एंटोमोलॉजिकल नेम बोल सकते हो आप, इज लेपिज्मा. सो द सिस्टमैटिक पोजिशन ऑफ दिस लेपिज्मा इज हियर. सो इट बिलोंग्स टू द फाइलम आर्थ्रोपोडा, क्लास इंसेक्टा, सब क्लास इज Pterygota, and order is Thysanura. The family of this silverfish is Lepismatidae, and genus is Lepisma. So the common name is silverfish, so commonly we call this insect as a silverfish. So hope you have understand all the characteristics of the order Thysanura, and you don't have any query about it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.